Right, everyone, I just thought of something. What if Oh, it does! Oh my goodness, that works so well. Right, everyone, we're going to be testing the incendiary crossbow. Oh, it works too well. Oh, it made lava. No way, there's lava all over around here. I made a lava crossbow. Right, everyone, I have developed a non-lethal yet still hopefully effective castle defense weapon. This thing shoots flaming smoke missiles. Simply put this in here, load this fork inside here, and we're about to do the first test fire. Oh no. Oh, that was terrible. Did a bad job. Oh. First test fire did not work great. The reason it failed, I didn't lift evenly on the crossbow there, and it just didn't fire the string. Right, attempt number 2, homemade and oh, you gotta be kidding me. It went straight in the water and we just lost a rocket. Oh, no way, look at that. I have a crossbow that makes a smoke screen. Not a very big smoke screen. Granted, we could probably do better, but dang, was that cool. Check it out. Just a big old swarm of smoke over there. It's probably going to rain somewhere because of that. Oh, look at that. And once it's done, it just doesn't leave any trace because it fairly well disintegrates the actual round into nothing but ash, leaving no evidence except a tiny smoldering pile of ash. I am disappointed that that other one went in the water, though I'm pretty sure we can probably still ignite it. Oh, look at that. See that right there? I know it's wet, but I'm pretty sure we can still use it if we're careful about this. Oh man, there's water all around it. I don't really want to get wet because I'm wearing those nice thick merino socks that are really good at being soaked and difficult to get unsoaked. Okay, we can just, oh, it's too late, I wet them. Okay, pull this back. I've got this, oh, it's all wet, gross, yucky, no. Maybe there's still a chance I can get it to go, we'll see. If I can dry it out and somehow ignite it. Oh, no way, it still goes, look at that. Even after it's been in the water, that's how good these are. You can get it completely soaked in the water and it might temporarily put it back out, but it'll still go. Oh man, that's pretty good. Imagine if I had time to shoot it. Like, can I load it and shoot it? Oh, no way. We've got like 4 uses out of it. All you got to do is get it wet each time. And you just keep shooting it. I think that'll still even be good even out there. I mean, obviously it's going to be a little wet, but you could probably just pick it back up and light it again. Right, we're going to be testing the crossbow from the castle. I'm going to see if I can launch the smoke grenades back onto the land bridge here as like a defense mechanism. Just imagine if there was like ballistas hidden inside the castle walls. They just folded out and just launched smoke screens everywhere. That'd be awesome. Alright, I'm going to climb up there and I'm going to shoot, see if I can defend the castle with smoke missiles, which look like this. They're just a big cardboard tube filled with incendiary mix, which was supposed to be rocket fuel but turned into smoke grenades because I messed up the recipe. Oh no, did you guys see that? It was epic. I nearly took my head off, but this is what happened to the crossbow. The incendiary burned the rope. It was that fast. Oh man, that was epic.
Ready but machine guns hiding in the dark. You come to tear my castle down. I spray you to the ground with fiery darts. Watch your metal hearts burn out, meaningless machine guns crawling through the dark. Crank that courage till it snaps apart. You stole my throne, but you don't get far. I write your names in ash with fiery darts. Torches twitch on the ramparts, shadows racing on the moss gray wall. You load up one more nightmare, whisper. Tonight that tower falls, but I've got gears in the chapel, crossbow bolts in the choir stalls, trip wires in the ivy, boiling rage in the castle hall. Medieval machine guns